Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to set up your shipping options in eBay Selling. Under that, we're going to talk about tips for shipping internationally, setting up your shipping options. First of all, tips for shipping internationally. Buyers love free shipping and they expect when they shop online. In fact, buyers more likely to choose an item with free shipping or an item with shipping charges even if the total cost is the same. To offer free shipping to USA, choose economy shipping from outside USA and tick free shipping. And to offer free shipping worldwide, choose economy international shipping and set cost to 0. Offer express shipping options. Increase sales and deliver great customer service by offering free standard shipping as your first shipping option and express service as additional option. To offer express shipping to a listing, create a rate table or set a flat rate for the regions. Build trust with the buyers by always keeping them informed. When you upload an item's tracking information, your buyer can stay up to date on their order. Second one is how to set up shipping options. Under that, let's talk about setting up your shipping options. Domestic shipping section defines the shipping option within the United States and to the United States from other countries. The international shipping section helps you to set up shipping options to all other countries in the world. Domestic shipping. The shipping cost is set up in the first video section. From the drop-down menu on a domestic shipping, select a flat. It means that you charge all buyers the same amount of shipping regardless of the location. Setting up the shipping rate table. Shipping rate tables allows you to handle your shipping charges to your buyers. You can indicate multiple shipping options for the same region or state. You can specify shipping cost in your shipping rate table by items or by weight. Once you set up a shipping table, you can use them any time. As a rule, sellers who ship items to the United States set a flat shipping rate for the whole country. So you can skip this setting. Services and shipping cost. The services will provide access to setting up international shipping services that you can access. Offer buyers economy shipping as their main option and express shipping as an additional express but more expensive shipping option. From the drop-down menu under services, see the economy service from above section, then economy shipping from outside US. See the shipping cost in the cost field. If you can use shipping services that offer express shipping to the US, you can adopt the 3 additional feeds or additional shipping services by clicking on the Offer Additional Services button. Remove the services with the Remove Service button. Handling time. To do this, settle the relevant option from the Handling Time drop-down menu. Handling time is the time it takes you to ship the item from the buyer's purchase in business days. It's recommended that the handling time should be set up to 1 business day. The shorter your handling time, the higher the portion of your listing is in the search results. International shipping section helps you to set up options on eBay.com for the shipping outside the US. In the drop-down menu, see the flat, same cost to all the buyers. Shipping rate tables. Once you set up your shipping tables, you can use them anytime you list an item. You can also create multiple shipping tables. Click the Create button. The shipping rate tables form automatically opens in a new window. In this form, you can create a new shipping rate table, open a saved shipping rate table. To create a new table, set one of the shipping options in the Set Shipping Rates by field. When you create a new table, Be sure to enter its name in the table name field, otherwise the data will not be saved. Selecting the regions and states in the shipping rate table of the international shipping. Offer buyers economic shipping by default 11 to 23 business days. Offer it as free shipping for buyers by including shipping cost in the item's price. For this option of international shipping, we recommend using any service within the economic shipping service. In addition, offer at least one of the options for express shipping and extra cost. After you have set up all the options in the shipping rate table, click on the Save button. International Shipping Services option. The services field provided access to selection of international shipping services that you can use for the items for international shipping. To set the shipping services in the drop-down menu, depends on what you have selected in the Ship to field. Select worldwide, and then one of the shipping methods are available to set up the cost. For buyers, the economic shipping by default 11 to 23 business days. Offer it as free shipping for buyers by including shipping cost in the item price. The second option of the ship to feed is the choose custom location. When you select the choose custom location, you will have access to setting up the shipping directions table. Select region, set the shipping type and cost. Exclude shipping locations. In this section, you can set those countries or regions you do not want to ship to. To exclude certain shipping locations, click on the Create Exclusion List button. Set exclusions for domestic shipping or for the international shipping by ticking the boxes for the regions or countries you do not want to send items. Item location. In the item location field, you should clearly specify the city and country where your item is located.
This is the end of this video. Stay awesome.